he chases him off.
Yeah. Bam.
Oh, he's not a very good catch.
He's drooling now. Woo.
These seagulls probably have such a bad diet.
Oh yeah. Oh, like we're gonna have the bonus onion ring. Ready? Take it. Bam. Nice catch. Nice. Alright. Who's gonna look? Onion ring.
Onion ring.
Who's gonna get the? I want the right here in the middle of those.
Okay.
They're gonna fight for this one.
The middle of it over there. You think?
Got it.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, he's pissed now. Okay,
There.
I'll get,
You think the pigeon's gonna get it? Who got the onion ring?
All right.
Who got it? I didn't see
Oh
it.
no, oh, there you go.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
It's got this off.
Maybe we should get the little pigeon one. Something.
They start eating up. They're gonna.
Oh yeah, maybe.
They're
They
gonna
choke.
eat up.
And then let's get a close up with this guy. Okay, throw it to the one on the right. Let's see.
On the right.
Yeah, I got it close in on him.
Got. I got like little pieces.